Hi, Abu Salam Atul speaking, and welcome to my new video, how to design an efficient database for web development. Many development, including me, have very hard time with database when there is a big project. So today's video, I'd like to talk and I'd like to suggest you some way to make your database more efficient, and that's how you do not have to, you do not have to bite yourself in the middle of the project. Oh my God, what I have done! Why there is so much information and all over the places. So today's video we would like to talk about how to make efficient database, and in bigger project, let me remind you this thing. In bigger project, you should and you must have a very good database design. Other than that, believe me, you will and you must bite yourself if you do not have a very good database design. So let's talk less and go into the details. Firstly, I want to make an announcement that all the thing I have written here, I will make separate videos for all those things. So please press the bell icons to get incoming notification of those videos, because I will in future from now I will make this video. So please press the bell icon, and please press the subscription button too. Your small initiative can make me very happy, so please do this. So now let's start. Let me first show you something. This is the database I have designed. Okay, not this is the database I have designed for a small project, but I would not like to show you that. Let me show you another thing where it is, and I think I have just downloaded it. So let me show you the database I have designed for a one of my project. That project was not very big, but still I think you like to see it, and I like to show you something for that. Okay, so this is the database. So as you can see, there is a lot of spider, a lot of table, a lot of data all over the places, and when the project goes bigger, then your database will huge. There will be a lot more tables are in there. So when there is a lot more tables, the data is all over the places, you should have a very good design structure or pattern to maintain all these data. Otherwise, as I said, you're gonna bite yourself. So let me have a closer look to it. There are a lot of spider. Those spider actually defining the relationships of data. So how I could manage to maintain these all type of data in a standard way, so that I haven't and I am not biting myself. So let's do this. So first thing you have to do is take a paper, take a pen, and make your ER design class diagram. How small, how big the project is not a matter. The matter is, have you done your ER design or not? This is a very important thing you have to do. No matter how the design, how the project is, how much, how bigger or smaller that is, you must have make a year or class diagram. This is the first thing you have to do, and you have to make sure the database you have designed, this is less redundant. And how could you do that? This is a suggestion, and this is not suggestion, this is a standardization. You should want to store all same type of data in a similar place. This is a way to make your database less redundant. Redundancy means data is repeating everywhere. Same type of data, same data is repeating everywhere. That thing will make you cry, because sometimes you have deleted or you have inserted a data, because that data is all over the places. You just insert it one place, not in other places. Now you see, one user have same user have different age in different table. User is same, but his age is different in different tables, because he was saving age, one user's age, in 3 tables. And now the users have updated his age. Suppose he have updated his age 50 to 55, and you have updated this information in one table, not in other 2 tables. Boom, one user have 2 age. Oh, that's my god. So make your data less redundant as possible as you can do. Let me give you an example. Like, we all store images. We have images of users, we have images of products, we have images of lot other things, we have images of gallery, and lot of other things. So if you store images in different table, that's not a good idea to do. Let make a different way. If you store if you maintain a table like this, where there is a product, model type, image and model ID. Now take product is a model type, user is a model type, color is a model type. What is defining by here? Go to product table, and in product table, product number 3 has this picture. Go to user table, user number 3 has this picture, and user number 3 has this picture too. So one user now have two different picture, and two different picture is differentiable by these tables primary key, which is ID, because this is ID number 2 and this is ID number 3. So these two user now have two different images, and these two and those are both are identifiable, and these are now one user can have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 any number of images. This is same true for product and all other things. So now all your images are in same table. So if you do something over images, if you want to do something over images, you do not have to look for all the tables and all the thing. Where is the image, what's the name of that image on the table and all other things. You can just come on this table and you can find what you need. So this is a technique to make less redundant. You can apply this type of technique. You have to think what technique I should maintain to make my database less redundant. So let's talk about now anomalies and consistency. These two terms is very important. Anomalies happen because of inconsistency. So let me give you an example when data became inconsistent. Let me go to the picture again. Like there is a user table, this is a freelancer table, customer table, and there is a job table, social share or table. There are, in this table you can see, I don't know you can see or not, let me zoom it more. Okay, there is user ID, here is user ID, here is user ID. So that means this table storing user ID, this user's information, because freelancer is a user, customer is a user, job seeker is a user, all the users are all those are type of users. Now for somehow or some reason I have deleted a user, but I haven't deleted that user ID from freelancer table. So the user is not alive anymore. He is dead from user table, but he's still alive in freelancer table. Now I want to get the information of that user from user table. I take the user ID and search it for user table, and boom, no user back. System give me an error, SQL state something something, the user is not found, and something error like that. Your system is broken because you haven't deleted that user's ID from freelancer table. So make your database consistent. When you insert something, insert everywhere. When you delete something, delete everywhere. That means a cascade relationship in all the tables which have a relationship, in between. So this is very important. When you insert something, update something, delete something, make sure you are updating, deleting or inserting the information of that table in all other table who have relationship with the user table or the base table. So you have to maintain this situation. You have to make this relationship schema. When you're updating this table, you have to look what table have in this database scenario. User have all the relationship, all other things. So I actually maintain a class for that to update something when user got changed. I maintain a separate function to do this. I look up if user is changed, and I maintain a stack of a process. In those stack of process, all the tables, all the informations, users information is updated in all of the tables. I have done it through a different class. So I think you want to do this. When you do something, do everywhere or do nowhere. Just do not something do in somewhere, not done. This is not a good situation. And normalization, and I'm saying again, all the thing will have a complete video in future, so please bell icon for that. And normalization is, you want to know about normalization, there are a lot of web links and tutorials about normalization. I will make some too. Normalization is very very important. You have and you should understand this very clearly. Join, database join. I see from experience that a lot of people who do not use joins. They just do not use it. They do it in a different way. They do it in a manual way or some other way, but do not use joins. That's not a very good thing, believe me, because if you do joins, the system have the intelligence. A system will do the intelligence part. When you do not using join and you are doing the join thing in a manual way, take that id from that table, batch it to another table in two different line on two different query, you may have make a mistake, because when there are thousands of data, you will not check about with all the data, you will just check about 2 or 3 data, but your intelligence may gone wrong. So if you use join instead, that thing will ensure you that the system is doing intelligence. So if something goes wrong, you have the opportunity to make it correct. But if you don't do this in the middle of the project, if that is in your code base like 10,000 lines, you just, oh my god, what I have done, what is the wrong? So please maintain join as much as you can, and if you don't know how to join database very efficiently, please learn it before to take your hand on the project. So thank you very much for being with me. I will be back with this all video as I promised, and yeah, please subscribe, like, share, and like, share, and comment. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for with me. Bye bye.